Welcome to college exam season. I have already finished 3 exams ahead of time, 3 more to go, so let's get to it. So yeah, 1.5 days until the next exam. So let's go. So unfortunately I failed this exam. I underestimated it a bit. Now I have a whole week to study for it again and will go straight to the last exam. But this week is going to be a lot busier. It's time for some training. Okay, I passed the furniture construction exam this time, but I failed the strength and flexibility test, so I have another week to prepare. Well, the test is behind me, but I don't have it. We got something completely different in the test. I still have one last week to prepare, but it's getting pretty long, I won't lie. So yeah, I have already written the test and I have it, so it's all done, let's celebrate. So yeah, this was my exam period in college. I struggled a little bit, but I didn't give up. I hope you liked the video. You can write a comment or subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you and see you next time. Have a great day.